Individuals' employment rights under ADA. So individuals with disabilities are protected under Title I, and an employer cannot discriminate against an individual. They cannot say they won't hire someone because of their disability, and they can't fire them because of their disability either, or nor can they hold any promotion position from them because of their disabilities. So all individuals with disabilities are have the same rights as those individuals without disabilities. Individuals with disabilities have a right to be free from harassment because of their disability. Employers may not fire or discipline individuals with disabilities for asserting their rights under the ADA. So meaning that a person with disability has the right to say that they're being taken advantage of because of their disability. So they have the right to express their concerns to their employer. Individuals have the right to request a reasonable accommodation for the hiring process on the job. So they have the right to request a certain type of modification necessary for them to complete their essential job functions. So whether they need a higher chair or a higher table or some types of modification that would enable them to do their job.